Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can request money on Cash App. Now before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So to request money on Cash App, first step, open your Cash App and enter the amount you want to request. And yeah, make sure you're on the $ page, because in the other page like this, it's gonna be on Bitcoin, it's gonna be on stock. So click on this. This is the place where you guys can request and send money, alright? So enter the amount you want to request. So let's say I want to request around $200. After writing the amount, I can click on request. And over here where it says name hashtag SMS, you can write anything you want, but I would suggest you to write hashtag because hashtag is the most securest way, because a hashtag is only unique to you. So my hashtag is only unique to me. No one else is gonna have the same hashtag as me. So try to use the hashtag. You need to enter the $ and then enter the hashtag of the person. So the hashtag of the person is rock. I write rock, there's gonna be rock 125125, rock 0595. So you want to know which one is your friend, and then you can choose that one and click and confirm. And if you want to write any note, you can write like want my money back, click on request. And if the hashtag of the person is correct, then $200 can be requested with Kevin Walker with a note saying I want my money back. And if he wants to, then he can click on my request and return the $200 back to me. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can request money on Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.